Okay, so I was just having a chat to a client as I was driving then, and I came up with what I have to say was a pretty damn good analogy right then and there on the spot. So good that I thought, you know what, I'm going to have to pull over and I'm going to have to record a video that shares this analogy with you guys. So the question he posed to me was, what do we need to demonstrate to council to be able to get approval to remove this pre-47 house? Now, just to be clear, we're not talking a pre-1911 house here. We're talking about a house that was built between 1911 and 1947. My response to him was, you need to be able to demonstrate that integral components or features have been made. So there's been structural changes that have occurred to this house that cannot easily be reversed. And this is where the analogy came in. I turned to him and went, what you need to show is that, think if you've got a human here, let's imagine a female. It's not a situation where they've just applied some bright lipstick, or they've dyed their hair a different color, or they've popped in colored contact lenses. Like, those things are reversible. They're cosmetic, they're surface level kind of changes. They don't at the core change who the person is. We are looking for changes that just go to that next level. So I'm talking about removing ears, or removing eyes, or removing limbs. And better still, we want multiple of those things. So not just one little ear gone. We want the ears, the eyes, the mouth, everything gone. The more changes or integral components that are removed, the higher the chance of demolition success. So yeah, just to recap, we're not looking for little cosmetic reversible things, aka lipstick going on, lipstick coming off. We're talking about permanent irreversible changes, aka whole limbs going. Hopefully that analogy hits home for you guys like it did for me. And I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.